of the population remain adamant despite efforts by the Ministry of Health to get them vaccinated and adhere to the safety protocols. Since March last year till date, just about 13% of the population are either fully vaccinated or have at least received one dose. From a cursory look around town, the wanton disregard for the safety protocols was so glaring. Yet, the Minister for Health, Mr. Kwaku Agyeman Manu, says this does not mean the drive to curb COVID-19 is defeated.
We haven't lost the fight. You see, we're washing hands, we're using sanitizers, we spend so much money. So we haven't lost the battle. But it's like we have to manage our resources also in a different manner. So those who are not using the masks, I don't know what we should tell them again. So they put themselves at risk. And if you want to join that group, you affect us too.
The health minister said the no card, no entry to public spaces initiative, when fully rolled out, would improve the rate of vaccination in the country.
We use Ministry of Health to test the inefficiencies and the effectiveness of that sort of policy or mandatory protocol we want to introduce. So far it's working. The challenges we are facing is testing the QR code we have on the vaccination cards. What device do we use to test and things like that? That is where we are. But going forward, a date will be mentioned, and I think we will introduce these things, not only to offices, but to some other places where people gather, where you meet people, to try to see how we can cut off the spread, the chain.
Meanwhile, the vaccination for other diseases such as cervical cancer among teenagers remain on course, although COVID-19 is said to have overshadowed the process.
Our vaccination program is on course. Last year, when we checked on our statistics, we did a close to about 94% coverage, despite COVID. Initially, it wasn't that good, but later we got parents coming with their children, and things started working so well for us. So all our programs are still running. The only thing is that COVID has taken center stage, which is correct, but we are still running our traditional programs.
He debunked the myths surrounding the vaccines and entreated all those who are hesitating to take the jabs to do so in order not to put the rest of the population at risk. Sarah for GBC News, Accra.